Hello, folks, and welcome to the very end of the semester. Okay, so this week, all that's really and truly do is your final draft of Essay 4, and then there is a final survey here that I ask you to fill out. Just ask some more specific questions. The other one that you guys fill out last week is the college survey. This one is one I've created that's got some specific sort of questions about the way I structured the class and whatnot. So any feedback you can give me there is useful, and it's anonymous, so I can't track who says what. The one thing about the final, note that this is due on Friday, May 17th, okay, at 11 a.m. It's not 11 p.m., it's 11 a.m., okay? This is the one assignment that you cannot turn in late. The box will close, and you will not be able to access it when after that. So make sure it is turned in on time. I try to give you guys as much time through finals week to get this completed, and then I spend, of course, the weekend grading. So just make sure you get that in on time. If you got any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know. It's been a great semester, and good luck in the future.